It's cottage season and we decided to go up north to install the docks for the year. When we got there, we found that one of the dock bridges was broken on one side. The hinge had completely split the 2x8 on the side of the dock. If we didn't replace it, we wouldn't be able to use the dock. So we had to take everything apart and start again. As you can see, everything was dismantled, but it was the only way that we could redo this dock to be safe and able to use. Luckily, we were able to use some old hardware and some new hardware that I purchased last year to join all the corners of the new dock. Then all we needed to do was reinstall the bridge, put the planks on top, and that's pretty well it. Now the dock is installed properly, everything is safe, and we can enjoy the rest of the summer. Thanks for watching this quick video on redoing my docks up north. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. There's going to be more videos. See you in the next one.